In the vast history of computing, nothing is more annoying and agonizing when you lose your important file due to disk failure, or even worse, you accidentally deleted it, leaving yourself crying on the floor, cursing your existence. But unlike a philosophical question, this problem can easily be addressed by an efficient data recovery software. Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from SysTweak. Hello guys, welcome to SysTweak's YouTube channel and I am your host Shivani. Today I will tell you about the best data recovery software for Windows. We will be talking about Advanced Disk Recovery, a tool to quickly recover deleted, formatted or lost data. The Advanced Disk Recovery is a Windows utility that lets you recover lost, deleted or corrupted files or data from your computer. It is one of the apps that recommend you not to recover data on the same drive, as it may overwrite the files and makes it difficult for you to find the file you want. When compared to other prominent data recovery tools, we found Advanced Disk Recovery, an app that is simple to use and recovers a maximum number of deleted files. Highlights that make us choose Advanced Disk Recovery: a go-to tool, 100% risk-free utility, 60 days money-back guarantee. Even a novice can use this amazing tool flawlessly without worrying about anything. Wondering how to use this data recovery tool? Well, we will be sharing a step-wise guide on how to recover deleted files using Advanced Disk Recovery. To begin with, follow these steps. Download and install Advanced Disk Recovery from the download link mentioned in the description below. Once installed, launch the application and select the area and drive you wish to scan for deleted files. Next, click on Start Scan Now button below and select Scan Type out of Quick and Deep. Now again click on Scan Now. Do note it is time consuming but helps in retrieving a maximum number of deleted or lost files. After scanning is finished, you will see two options, Preview and Recover. Click on Recover and specify the location you want to save retrieved data. Ensure that you do not save the data on the same drive you have been recovering data from. Wait for the recovery process to complete it. You will then see Advanced Disk Recovery showing up a report summary of files recovered, total files scanned, deleted files and more. This will show you if the files are successfully retrieved or not by Advanced Disk Recovery. If you do wish to recover more files, click on Recover More Files or otherwise click on Finish. Additionally, you can use filter options to find a specific file based on time, size, health, date, etc. That's all guys, this way you can retrieve any of your accidentally deleted or lost files on Windows. Try this way today and let us know if it helped you get back your data. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for regular updates.